Alrighty, here's another video on the amazing Ariel Rider.Kepler. I just left a welding shop where I had a bracket made up with a ball to tow the camper. I don't know if you can see how this goes here. This is the pin you see is for, you can get them on Amazon. They're for towing a bicycle trailer. So what I did was I put one on both sides and drilled the angle iron to fit tightly over that. Okay. I don't know if you can see the ball in there. It's a little overkill. The fella made it, well, I guess it's better to be too strong than not strong enough, but it's definitely quite capable. And there's two pre-drilled tapped holes in the Kepler rack, so he made the bracket to fit over those to screw in, and hooks up to the hitch. I think it's a 1 7/8 ball. That's about the smallest they make. But yeah, that's the general idea. If you want to get something like that, I would say go to a capable welding shop near you, and they can take care of that. So here's a view from the back. And I had it made so that it comes off pretty easy. There's just 4 screws, or Allen head screws, that you take out, and then it slips off the pins on the side. So I just had to sand it and paint it. And here's a little camper. I built this last year. Weighs about 130 pounds. So it's not super heavy. I made it out of cedar. And the tongue hitch, the weight is only about 25 pounds. 20 to 25. I have another video of this, the camper up by the canal by us. And here's a quick view of the inside. But it's 6'4" inside, and I'm not that tall, so I have plenty of room. And the little net is just to put clothes or whatever. And I've got like 3 lights in here, sliding window. It's all insulated, about 1 inch of insulation. It's my lucky guy here. And in the back we have a table that flips up with a pole holder. And in the back there's a little kitchenette, a 1 burner stove. I got a portable sink and a bunch of odds and ends here. But yeah, it's not real big, but it holds enough for 1 person for cooking and stuff. Got my bottle opener here. Yep. There we go. And the Kepler have no problem towing this. It's got a lot of power. You know, you're not going to go very fast towing it. Maybe, I don't know, 18 would probably be about the fastest you'd probably go. Unless you're trying to get out of bad weather. And I'm sure you could hit 30, but normally you'd probably do 15 to 18 miles an hour. Got a cooler on the front here. But yeah, so I get a lot more use out of the bike. I have another trailer I carry a kayak on, and yeah, it's something to do, a lot of fun, and it's a great bike. So, hope you liked the video. Talk to you soon. Thank you.